Safeguarding digital domain, 10 most common cybercrimes. In today's digital business market, organizations must confront numerous cyber threats that can have devastating consequences for their operations. As revealed in this comprehensive cybersecurity guide, 83% of companies worldwide encounter cybersecurity threats on a daily basis.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
In light of this rise in cybercrime, there has also been a surge in demand for cybersecurity professionals. Consequently, organizations must grasp a firm understanding of the common cybercrimes that infect their businesses. By doing so, they can proactively implement measures to safeguard sensitive data, financial assets, and their hard-earned reputation. In this blog post, we shall discuss the top 10 most common cybercrimes that businesses must be informed about. Furthermore, we shall explore practical prevention methods that can strengthen the defenses against these nefarious activities. Most common cybercrimes. Among the various types of cybercrimes booming at an alarming rate, it is crucial to train ourselves with the most prevalent ones. Being aware of the sources of threats is equally vital when it comes to taking preventive measures. Therefore, organizations and team managers must prioritize training and educating their staff on proactive procedures aligned with organizational policies. By doing so, they can establish a robust defense against potential cyber threats. 10 most common occurring cybercrimes. Phishing attacks. Cybercriminals employ deceptive tactics like phishing to cunningly deceive users into divulging crucial information. These insidious attacks often manifest as emails, texts, or websites masquerading as trustworthy institutions. Their sole objective is to gain illicit access to login credentials, financial details, and other highly sensitive data by preying upon people's trust and curiosity. Phishing attacks can result in significant financial losses and data breaches for businesses. To prevent falling victim to phishing attacks, businesses should educate their employees about recognizing phishing attempts, encourage skepticism towards suspicious links or attachments, and implement email filtering systems and spam detection tools. Malware infections. Malware, an insidious form of software, wreaks havoc on computer systems, inflicting severe harm. It encompasses malicious viruses, worms, and spyware capable of breaching defenses and causing chaos. These infections bring forth dire consequences: stolen data, unauthorized access, system disruptions, and financial devastation. Cybercriminals cunningly disseminate malware through treacherous means, such as deceitful email attachments, malicious websites, or deceitful software downloads. Shielding against such perils demands a stalwart defense. Businesses must fortify themselves with potent antivirus software, ensure regular system and software updates, and equip employees with knowledge of secure browsing practices. Vigilance is crucial. Never download files from dubious origins. As an added layer of safeguarding, deploying firewalls and intrusion detection systems will staunchly protect against these digital intrusions. Ransomware attacks. Ransomware attacks have the potential to cripple businesses by holding their vital files hostage and extorting hefty ransoms. The consequences can be catastrophic, resulting in significant financial setbacks, operational turmoil, and irreparable harm to reputation. These insidious attacks typically exploit unsuspecting victims through phishing emails or deceptive downloads. Safeguarding against such threats necessitates proactive measures. It is imperative for organizations to consistently back up their data, ensuring that backups are stored offline or in highly secure cloud environments. Bolstering network security with robust measures like firewalls and fortified Wi-Fi networks, coupled with comprehensive employee training on detecting and promptly reporting suspicious email attachments or links, can effectively minimize the peril posed by ransomware attacks. Data breaches. Data breaches are a grave matter that entails unauthorized access to sensitive information, putting businesses at risk of significant repercussions. The repercussions are vast and impactful, encompassing financial setbacks, legal complications, reputational tarnishment, and a loss of customer trust. Cybercriminals relentlessly target businesses, aiming to exploit valuable data for their own gain. They ruthlessly capitalize on this information by trading it on the dark web or engaging in malicious endeavors such as identity theft and fraud. Safeguarding against data breaches necessitates a steadfast commitment to data protection through the implementation of robust encryption technologies, stringent access controls, and regular security audits. Equally important is empowering employees through comprehensive training on data security best practices, encompassing areas such as robust password management and secure file sharing. Moreover, businesses should proactively prepare for potential breaches by formulating a well-structured incident response plan, enabling swift and effective mitigation measures. Social engineering attacks. Social engineering attacks exploit human psychology to deceive individuals and gain unauthorized access to systems or information. These attacks manipulate human behavior, often relying on techniques such as pretexting, baiting, or impersonation. Social engineering attacks can lead to unauthorized access, data breaches, and financial fraud. To protect against social engineering attacks, businesses should educate employees about common tactics used by cybercriminals and emphasize the importance of verifying requests for sensitive information through trusted channels. Implementing multi-factor authentication and conducting regular security awareness training can also help defend against social engineering attacks. DDoS attacks. DDoS attacks wreak havoc on networks and websites, mercilessly overwhelming them with an onslaught of excessive traffic. The result? An utter chaos that leaves users stranded, unable to access the resources they need. These malicious attacks have the power to bring business operations to a grinding halt, inflicting severe financial losses and shattering the trust customers have painstakingly placed in the affected organization. Cybercriminals may employ botnets or compromised devices to launch DDoS attacks. To mitigate the impact of DDoS attacks, businesses should invest in robust network infrastructure and implement traffic filtering mechanisms. Engaging with a reputable DDoS protection service can also provide an additional layer of defense. Insider threats. Insider threats involve malicious actions or unintentional mistakes by individuals within an organization. These individuals may abuse their authorized access to compromise data, commit fraud, or disrupt business operations. Insider threats can be challenging to detect as the individuals involved have legitimate access to sensitive systems and data. Businesses should implement strict access controls, regularly monitor employee activities, and establish incident response protocols to minimize the risk of insider threats. Additionally, promoting a culture of security awareness and providing ongoing employee training can help mitigate insider threats. Business email compromise, BEC, attacks. BEC attacks involve cybercriminals impersonating executives or high-level employees to deceive employees into making fraudulent payments or revealing sensitive information. BEC attacks can lead to significant financial losses and reputational damage for businesses. Preventive measures against BEC attacks include implementing strong email authentication protocols, such as DMARC, SPF, and DKIM. Employees should also be trained to verify email requests for financial transactions or sensitive information through secondary channels, such as phone calls or face-to-face communication. Insider trading and financial fraud. Insider trading and financial fraud pose grave threats to businesses, leading to substantial financial losses and tarnished reputations. It is imperative for organizations to implement stringent policies and procedures to safeguard against these crimes. Businesses can effectively detect and deter any nefarious trading patterns, ensuring the protection of their assets and upholding their esteemed reputation by following these steps. Adopting a robust framework. Initiating strict controls on confidential information. Limited access to sensitive data. Vigilant monitoring of employee activities. Intellectual property theft. Intellectual property theft poses a grave threat, as it entails the unlawful acquisition or exploitation of safeguarded intellectual property, encompassing trade secrets, patents, copyrights, or trademarks. To safeguard against this insidious act, businesses must reinforce their defenses. By deploying stringent access controls, fostering employee awareness regarding intellectual property rights, and proactively monitoring online platforms help identify any unauthorized utilization of copyrighted content. By implementing these proactive measures, businesses can effectively shield their invaluable intellectual assets from potential theft and infringement.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.